glad that I had full intentions of wearing a hoodie today, but completely forgot because I got excited to make a video, and now I don't have it. It's a little bit chilly out. This is gonna be a fun place to pull out of. That's what he said. Sorry. I made a video last week before I left. Not a whole lot happened except for missing an important phone call, but other than that, like, it wasn't super eventful. And I put it all on my phone. I went to edit it and, you know, cut it up like I usually do, and about halfway through, all of a sudden it just stopped. It's like stuck on a frame. The whole video will keep like playing and the audio will play and everything. Sorry, I took Robitussin before I left, but it's still not really working. It keeps like playing, but it's just frozen on a frame. So I don't know if it got like corrupted somehow, and I don't know if it's just like on my phone like that, or if it's on the SD card the same way. I'm gonna have to put it in the computer and check, but if it is, then that whole video is pretty much ruined. I'm not gonna be able to upload it. Which, sorry for coughing, by the way. Kind of sucks. It's pretty frustrating. But at least I got a really nice day out today. Hoping the camera issue doesn't happen again, and that this video turns out fine. I'm gonna take one of the scenic routes I haven't been on in a little bit. Kind of mix it up. Pretty soon the leaves will start. Oh, I guess that's right now. Yeah, the leaves are starting to change. So if I take this road in a few weeks, I'm really trying not to. What I was saying before I coughed is, if I take this road in a few weeks, it should be all like orange and yellow, and even more scenic. I'm going. It's yellow. I'm on slightly limited time because I have an appointment to get my rim put back in place, so I don't want to be late for that. But this would be a good place to kind of knee drag. Obviously I can't do that. I'm not that good, but that would be a good place to do it. I moved my mic into the corner of the front of my helmet to try to, oh my god, try to help with the wind noise, and it did seem to actually make somewhat of a difference. Also, closing the top vents helped. I didn't even do it intentionally, but going this route is kind of smarter because I'm avoiding school traffic, because I just remembered what time it is. So I guess that works out. I wonder if I go get it put back in, and then 6 hours later go to the gym, if that's just gonna pull it right back out. I would say it's worth a shot, but chiropractor's kind of expensive. I'm hoping this car turns so I have open road in front of me, especially with this road up here. I'm gonna go kind of slow right now, just to give anybody that might be in front of me room to not be. That means riding season isn't too much longer, but it's hoodie season, which means you get to wear hoodies. Great job. This road is really nice. I don't think I've ever made a video on this road, but it would definitely be very scenic in the fall. So I probably will do that once the leaves change up a little more. It is very bumpy though. I say as I don't use my hands. Big brain. My brain is extremely smooth. I'm gonna have to cut out so much of this video from coughing. But as long as the GoPro actually records the way it's supposed to this time, it doesn't get messed up. I'm fine with it. Just disappointed that the whole video went to waste. This is the turn I usually go the fastest on. If you've watched my videos for a while, I'm sure you recognize it, but like, sorry, I was trying not to cough. There's like 3 cars in front of me, so I don't really want to be too crazy. This sure was a bad idea. I'm gonna end up flashing everybody. I'm just gonna title the video, I'm fighting demons, and those demons being the cough that I keep trying to hold in. That's what it feels like talking to women. Oh. I want it. This is awkward. I'm gonna go the camp this way, just so I can avoid all the traffic. Why are you running? Why are they trying to catch a bus? Better hurry up. Nerd. Aw, you didn't make it. I'm probably gonna head home just to make sure I'm not late, because I cannot tell the time. Well, thank you for watching. Ouch. If you left a like or subscribe, thank you for that as well. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoy making them for you guys, so I hope you enjoy watching them. Oh, here's a nice Subaru that I always see. WRX. I wonder if that's an STI. I don't think so, but I could be wrong. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Oh, I just realized what that stand. Oops. I will see you in the next one. Hey, you picked a lane. Good job. Oh, you switched back. Bad job. Bad.